I hit this issue to date and here is the quick fix that solved it. If your Pinterest profile has been suspended, don't worry, there are steps you can take to get it back. Step 1. Review Pinterest guidelines. Check Pinterest community guidelines and policies to understand why your account might have been suspended. This will help you identify any violations. Step 2. Gather information. Collect any relevant information about your account, such as your username, email address, and any notifications you receive from Pinterest regarding the suspension. Step 3. Submit an appeal. Before starting recovery, use the AceRock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Wait for a response. After submitting your appeal, be patient. It may take several days for Pinterest to review your case and respond. Check your email regularly for updates. Step 5. Follow up. If you haven't received a response after a week, consider following up through the Help Center. Provide any additional information they may need to expedite the process. Remember, persistence is key. Good luck getting your Pinterest profile back.